Comment 1379 just reminds you of a kind of famous trap, which is that if you're trying to prove that two triangles are congruent, like these, then if the diagram was drawn with care, then they actually will be congruent. It won't be like diagram not to scale. It would be if you cut this out and, I don't know, put it on tracing paper and then moved it over there. It would literally land on top of it and you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. That means that everything is going to look equal. That's going to look equal to that. 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 Why are they going to look equal? Because they are equal. But the point is, when you're trying to prove that the triangles are congruent, just because something looks equal is not enough of a basis for determining that it is equal. You have to have a reason. Now, reasons are usually around and about. You might be given something off in words, in which case you transfer it to the diagram. It might be that that side is equal to that side because it's the same physical stretch of line, which is the word common. You might need to use properties of quadrilaterals. So if this whole thing was a rhombus, then you'll be able to judge that that was equal to that because the diagonals of a rhombus bisect the corners out of, sorry, I didn't mean rhombus, I mean a square. The diagonals of the rhombus, the diagonals of a square bisect the corners out of which they come, and they're all equal to each other. That is a property of a square. Now that is a reason for saying that that's equal to that and that's equal to that. But until you have got a good reason, you can't just say that stuff is equal because it looks equal. Stick to the stuff you know, is what I'm saying with comment 1379.